guys, I have bad news. Visojo's dead! Yes, you heard it right. Visojo's finally over. They have no talent. Right, guys? Yay. What a coincidence. They just paid up by my payday of my whole life. Yes! So, who's with me? Yeah! I know. Stop being so mean to me. You're gonna regret it once you have your own bowling day. Yes, me too either. I'm not joining. Why? Why are you not joining the team Visojo's dead? Cause I forgot the league isn't done yet. We talked about this earlier at 6 a.m. I'm not joining until Foot wants to leave the Visojo company. And afterwards, they reach $1 million on their donation. Am I right, guys? Pastelan! Please calm down and be your patience, okay? I'm not your patient. Hoy, mananakam din ang mga nalima. Nanakam ba sana? Epikot talik. Sino man ito na babae? O babae naman siya. Pero, she doesn't want to leave Visojo after she removed her branding as well sa Twitter. She doesn't want to leave Visojo because she removed the Visojo branding company na Visojo. At tunanawang, Visojo ending their lives as well. So you want to join? I have no idea because I am an Asian brother. You what? O sige, Asian brother ka naman. O ako ang real Asian brother. Ikaw! O ako ang Asian brother. Come on, just change the topic to Visojo. Ipikot the league. This doesn't want to. Ayaw na. Gago. Puyo ka ni me. Anyways, petition to leave Foot. Not going to leave Visojo for once in a while. It's only a month. It's only twice a week. It's only a month. Well, Foot is having a long time no see. Okay? What's Foot, by the way? Itala sa my fandom, Epicot of Foot o Epicot Talik. Bagay naman ang power consist. Ang pag-chismis. Anong chismis? Ato pa na pawatok-tok ang Foot o Epicot, Chito, husband, tapos this was a joke, di rin namawa, ito na joke, weird naman ito, sadto pa, tapos caught cheating, like 10 months ago, tapos nag-hiatus, indefinite hiatus, tapos adi na, nag-welcome back, nag-come back si Epicot of Foot. Sadto pa, pero yan na, di rin naman siya makalib. Oh no, this is too. Uy, kamuduwa, pulos naman na ang pang-aaway. Na ano, majority na ang pag-Visojo, tanan na, o sige, I'm not even finished my sentence. Ang done na!